Well, thank you for visiting my YouTube channel. Today I will be discussing about very important questions of physics. These questions are frequently asked in any entrance exam. Question number 1, we have what is the dimension formula of universal gas constant? First of all, you have to know the formula, that is ideal gas equation as PV equals to nRT. Then you can write in the form of R, and you have to know the dimension of pressure as ml to the power minus 1 to the power minus 2, and of that volume is L cube, and for number of mole we have mole, and for temperature it is Kelvin. Then you will simplify and get ml square t power minus 2 per mole per Kelvin. Option C is the answer. When the earth stops rotating about its polar axis, then the value of G at equator. The earth stops rotating about its polar axis, and the value of G at pole remains unchanged at G dash equals to G. Option C is the answer. In question number 3, we have two particles having masses 1 gram and 4 gram are moving with equal kinetic energy. The ratio of their linear momentum is, here given is mass of first particle, let m1 equals to 1 gram, mass of second particle m2 equals to 4 gram. Then you have to know the formula, that is kinetic energy equals to p square by 2m. Then you can simplify, that is p square is directly proportional to m, or that is p1 square by p2 square equals to m1 by m2. Therefore p1 by p2 equals to root under m1 by m2, that is root under 1 by 4 means 1 is to 2. Option D is the answer. In question number 4, we have a boat having a length of 3 meter and a breadth of 2 meter is floating on a lake. The boat sinks by 1 centimeter when a man gets on it. The mass of the man is, you have to know the length, breadth of the boat, and you have to know the area equals to L into B, that is 3 into 2 means 6 meter square. Boat sinks by depth, let it be D, that is 1 centimeter equals to 0.01 meter. You have to know the formula of thrust equals to weight of a liquid displaced, or mg equals to rho bg. Rho means density of water as it is sinking in water. Then gg cancel, m equals to rho into a into d, where volume equals to area into depth of boat sinks. You have to know the density of water is 1000 kg per meter cube, and you'll get the value of m at 60 kg by solving. Option B is the answer. If you have any problem in optional mathematics and compulsory mathematics, you can watch this video. Here are many repeated questions which are logical and numerical. These questions are frequently asked in entrance exam. You can watch this full video on this channel only. In question number 5, we have the correct value of 0 degree Celsius on Kelvin scale is 273.15 Kelvin. Option A is the answer. That is 273.15 Kelvin is the answer. Two blocks of ice when pressed together join to form one block because melting point of ice decreases with increasing pressure. Option C is the answer. In question number 7, we have when a spherical lens is immersed in water, then its focal length increases. According to lens maker formula, the focal length increases. Option A is the answer. If the length of a simple pendulum is quadrupled, that it becomes 4 times, then the time period is doubled, halved, increased by root 2 times, decreased by 1 by root 3. New length, let it be L dash, that is 4 into original length, that will become 4L. New length L equals Then time period of simple pendulum is given by 2 pi root under L by G. New time period becomes T dash, that is 2 pi by L dash upon G. L dash means 4L, that is 2 pi root under 4L by G. By solving you'll get T dash equals to 2T. Option A is the answer. Option A is the answer. Period is doubled. Option A is the answer. Option A is the answer. In question number 9 we have a force of 20 Newton acts on a particle of mass 2 kg and its displacement it by 5 meter at an angle of 30 degrees. What is the work done? Given force equals to 20 Newton, mass equals to 2 kg, distance equals to 5 meter. Now you have to remember the formula, that is work done equals to FD cos theta. You have to remember the formula, work done equals to FD cos theta and power equals to FV cos theta. These are very important questions. These are frequently asked questions. Then work done W equals to force into distance into cos 30 degree. Cos 30 degree means root 3 by W equals to 100 into root 3 by 2, that is 50 root 3 joule. Option D is the answer. Option D is the answer. In question number 10 we have when an isolated substance is given positive charge then its mass decreases. Option B is the answer. Light year is the unit of distance as illuminance has its unit lux. Option B is the answer. Option B is the answer. Luminous intensity unit is candela. The group of small pieces of rock revolving around the sun between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter are asteroids. Option D is the answer. Option D is the answer. These are called asteroids. Option D is the answer. Option D is the answer. In question number 13 we have if C vector equals to A vector into B vector and D vector equals to B into A vector, then what is the angle between the vectors C and D? Then D vector becomes minus A into B vector. They lies opposite to each other, so the angle between vectors C and D is 180 degree. Option D is the answer. In question number 14, a ray of light is incidenting normally on a plane mirror. The angle of refraction will be, when a ray of light is incidenting normally on a plane mirror, then the angle of incidence equals to angle of refraction, that is 0 degree. Option A is the answer. Option A is the answer, that is 0 degree. In question number 15 we have the rainbow is produced by refraction of light only, total internal reflection of light only, diffraction of light, both refraction and total internal reflection of light. Option D is the answer. The rainbow is produced by both refraction and total internal reflection of light. In question number 16 we have what is the velocity of sound if its frequency is 400 Hz and its wavelength is 50 cm. And you have to simply remember the formula like velocity equals to frequency into wavelength, that is f into lambda. Then you have to substitute the value as frequency equals to 400 Hz and lambda equals to 0.5 meter, then you will get 200 meter per second. Option D is the answer. Option D is the answer. Which gives the direction of current induced in a conductor moving the magnitude. It is given by Fleming's right hand rule. Fleming's right hand rule. Option A is the answer. If a critical angle for a material to here is 30 degrees, the refractive index will be, you have to know the formula of refractive index equals to 1 by sine of critical angle. That's 1 by 30 degree equals refractive index equals to 1 by sin c, that is 1 by 32 equals to 1 by 1 by half, that is 2. Option C is the answer. Option C is the answer. In question number 19, a 220 volt 100 watt bulb is connected to 110 volt source. Calculate the power consumed by the bulb. You have to know that what is given. That is, power of first bulb equals to 100 watt and voltage is 220 volts, and power of second bulb we don't know, and voltage of second bulb is 110 volt. And you have to remember the formula that P equals to B square by R, that is P is directly proportional to B square. Then you can do P1 by P2 equals to B1 square upon 100 by P2 equals to 220 into 220 by 110 into 110. You'll get P2 equals to 25 watt. Option D is the answer. Option D is the answer. In question number 10, we have the average distance between the sun and the earth is called astronomical unit. Astronomical unit. Option B is the answer. You have to remember, these are very important questions. You have to remember, like 1 light year equals to 9.46 into 10 to the power 15 meter. 1 astronomical unit equals to 1.496 into 10 to the power 11 meter. 1 parallactic second or 1 parsec equals to 3.26 light year. Option B is the answer. If you have any problem in mathematics, that is optional mathematics and compulsory mathematics, you can watch this video. You can check my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe. First of all, thank you for visiting my YouTube channel. Today I will be discussing about important questions of chemistry. These are very important questions, and these questions are frequently asked in every college exam. In question number 1, we have what is the molecular formula of Epsom salt and blue beetroot. You have to remember, like Epsom salt means MgSO4 dot 7 times H2O. And blue beetroot means CuSO4 dot 5 times. Option B is the correct answer. Option B is the correct answer. Now you have to remember, like the formula of plaster of Paris is CaSO4 dot half H2O. And white beetroot is ZnSO4 dot 7 times H2O. These are very important questions. You have to remember the formula. In question number 2, we have calculate the number of moles of 1.2 gram of carbon atom. You have to remember, like the formula of number of moles. Number of moles means given weight upon atomic weight. Given weight is 1.2 gram upon atomic weight of carbon is 12. So it will come 0.1 mole. Option C is the correct answer. Option C is the correct answer. That is 0.1 mole. In question number 3, we have the molecular weight of a gas is 44 AMU. What is its vapor density? Now you have to remember, like molecular weight equals to 2 into vapor density. Then you can substitute the value of molecular weight as 44 and divide by 2. Then you will get vapor density as 22. Option C is the correct answer. Option C is the correct answer. That is vapor density is 22. You have to remember the formula of molecular weight equals to 2 into vapor density. In question number 4, we have what is the product of this displacement reaction Fe plus ZnSO4. Fe plus ZnSO4, there will be no reaction because Fe cannot displace zinc in electrochemical series. We have to remember the electrochemical series. The correct equation is Zn plus FeSO4 gives ZnSO4 plus iron Fe. Therefore option D is the answer. Option D is the answer. In question number 5, which of the following compound is used as nail polish removal? propanone or acetone is used as nail polish remover? Option C is the correct answer. Option C is the correct answer. You have to remember the common name of acetone. Common name of propanone is acetone. Option C is the correct answer. In question number 5 we have, which of the following vitamin is called beauty vitamin? This is very easy question and very important question. You have to remember, like, vitamin E is called beauty vitamin because it maintains the germinal epithelium of gonads for proper reproductive functioning. Option C is the correct answer. Which of the following acid is the strongest acid? This is very easy. Perchloric acid is the strongest acid among the following. If there won't be perchloric acid, then you have to take sulfuric acid, that is H2SO4. Option A is the correct answer. Option A is the correct answer. Vitamin E is called beauty vitamin. Option C is the answer. Perchloric acid is the strongest acid among the following. Question number 7 we have, calculate the equivalent weight of calcium carbonate, that is CaCO3 or chalk. Calcium carbonate is also called chalk. Equivalent weight equals to molecular weight upon valency. You have to know the valency of calcium. Valency of calcium is 2. Atomic weight of calcium is 40. Atomic weight of carbon is 12. Atomic weight of oxygen, that is O3. There are 3 molecules, then you have to multiply into 3. 16 into 3, 48. You have to just apply the formula and get the answer. That is 40 plus 12 plus 48 divided by 2, 100 by 2, 50. Equivalent weight of calcium carbonate is 50. Option C is the answer. Option C is the answer. In question number 8 we have, producer gas is the mixture of. This is very important question. These are frequently asked questions. You have to know that producer gas is carbon monoxide plus nitrogen, and water gas is carbon monoxide plus hydrogen. Option B is the answer. Which of the following is not a plastic? Bakelite, PVC, DDT and melamine. You have to know that bakelite is thermosetting plastic, polyvinyl is thermosetting plastic, DDT is in insecticides, and melamine is a plastic. Therefore DDT is the answer. DDT is not a plastic, it is an insecticide. You have to remember the full form also. Option C is the correct answer. Option C is the correct answer. In question number 10 we have, nitric acid is prepared by which of the following process? Contact process, Ostwald process, Haber's process, Downs process. You have to remember, like, sulfuric acid is prepared by contact process, nitric acid is prepared by Ostwald's process, Haber's process is used for the preparation of NH3, that is ammonia. Downs process is used for the manufacture of sodium metal. Question number 11 we have, German silver is an alloy. This is very important question. You have to remember, like, German silver is an alloy of nickel, copper and zinc. You have to remember the atomic number of nickel, copper and zinc at 28, 29 and 30. So frequently asked question. Ostwald process is used for the manufacture of nitric acid. German silver is an alloy of nickel, copper and zinc. Question number 12 we have, China clay is an important ore of which of the following metal? Iron, aluminium, copper or silver. To remember, like, hematite is an important ore of iron. You have to remember the formula of China clay as Al2Si2O7.2 times H2O, which is the important ore of aluminium. Cuprite is very easy. It's important ore of copper, that is Cu2O. Silver glans Ag2S is an important ore of silver. In question number 13 we have, NaNO3 is an example of which of the following compound? This is very easy. If there are metals, of course it will form electrovalent bond or ionic bond. Option A is the answer. Alkali metals, that is group 1A metals, always form ionic bond. So NaNO3 is an example of ionic compound. In question number 14 we have, which of the following is the shape of water molecule? Tetrahedral, linear, pyramidal or B shape? Water is B-shaped due to presence of hydrogen bonding. Water is B-shaped due to presence of hydrogen bonding. Tetrahedral shape is methane. These are frequently asked questions. Pyramidal shape is ammonia NH3. Linear in shape is carbon dioxide. Question number 15, we have the depolarized using dry cells. Batteries are sodium phosphate, magnesium dioxide, potassium hydroxide, ammonium chloride. Option B is the correct answer. Manganese dioxide is used in dry cell as depolarized. This is important question. The depolarized used in dry cell batteries is magnesium dioxide, that is MnO2 is used in dry cell as depolarizer. On the top of the mountain, water boils at low temperature, high temperature, same temperature, none of the. On the top of the mountain, water boils at low temperature because there is less air pressure on the molecules. Higher the pressure, higher is the boiling point of the water. This is very important question. Option A is the answer. Option A is the answer.